The next topic is going to be difficult to control hypertension. It is not as if you follow the last lecture of management of hypertension and use drugs, you are going to get the target blood pressure in all of your patients. Many patients, in spite of using 3 or 4 drugs, may not achieve the target blood pressure. So these people come under difficult to control hypertension. So this is a Shattuck lecture of a prestigious Shattuck lecture from Sobanian in a few years ago in New England Journal of Medicine. He said it's a hypertension paradox. We had a huge success in having a very good drugs with very good effect on blood pressure. But in spite of so much advances which are made in the field of hypertension management, still the number of people with uncontrolled blood pressure is also increasing. So you are making progress in the treatment and the drugs in hypertension, but are you reducing the people with hypertension? Are you increasing the patients with the hypertension, patients who have got hypertension under control? No. The people who are having uncontrolled hypertension is also increasing despite the therapeutic advance. That's why this topic becomes relevant. So first we must look at the definitions, and it's a terminology maze. So target blood pressure, we must know what is difficult to control hypertension. Not getting the target blood pressure. What is our target blood pressure? Less than 65 years, 130/80. If it is tolerated, 120. More than 65 years, it is 140/90. If tolerated, 130. This should be, you will be setting this target within the 3 months of starting antihypertensive treatment. If you are not able to achieve that, it is difficult to control hypertension. Any difficulty achieving this target is difficult to control hypertension. So what is uncontrolled hypertension? What is apparent resistant hypertension? What is pseudo-resistant hypertension? True resistant hypertension? Controlled resistant hypertension and refractory hypertension. So you must know the definitions for all these terminologies. So what is uncontrolled hypertension? BP which is out of target with 1, 2 or 3 drugs is uncontrolled hypertension. It's a broad terminology. In this uncontrolled hypertension, apparent resistant hypertension is defined as a blood pressure that remains above target